In this video, we're going to be making some edgelit signs here. So we're going to have a sign, right? And then all around it, we're going to have LEDs lighting it up. That way it lights up fully from every angle, okay? So we need a couple things. First of all, like, it's a sign, so it needs to say something. It needs to say something or show something, but we're going to make it say something. And I don't want to do like too corny, like Home Sweet Home or like Hope, Courage, Faith or something. I think I'm just gonna do welcome. Welcome. All right. Nice, boring welcome. Okay, but let's not just leave it here. Let's find a fancy font. Uh, that's a little too fancy. Okay. There we go. This is fancy enough, and can also give us room for electronics if we want to do it that way. If we decide to do it that way, we're gonna go over a really quick way how to make this sign, and then we're gonna talk about like 20 other ways to make this. Okay, and yeah, so watch the whole video. We're gonna be done, and then we're gonna upgrade it. So first of all, see our laser downstairs is, well, the little ones 1 foot by 2 foot about. So I'm gonna make this one 600 millimeters wide. Okay. Whoa. I guess I should lock the aspect ratio here. There we go. And let's make it 600 wide again. There we go. Okay. And it's 207 tall. I'm gonna unlock it and make this 210 just to keep it easy, so I don't have to go back and forth in this video. And I thought I told you to be 600. There we go. Okay, turn the lock back on. So this is going to be our sign here, okay? So 600 by 210. First thing we're going to do is make a square, and I guess we'll unlock it again. Width is 600 by 210. Okay, select both those things, and I'm going to center them. There we go. Okay, next thing we're going to do here is do some outlines. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to do an outline here, or an offset, whatever they call it in this one. And I'm going to make it about 10 millimeters away. That way, there's about 10 millimeters or 3/8 of an inch between the edge of the wood and the start of the letters. Okay, so just a little bit of space there. I'm going to call that good. Select this line. I'm going to do another 10. Okay, that way in between here, we can rivet it together or screw it together or whatever it together, right? We can line it up. Okay, hit okay there, and then one last outline or offset, and I'm going to make this one 5. Okay, so these have been outward, rounded, and all these off. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then the inside one here, delete it. So what we're going to have here is this and this. This is going to be the acrylic piece, right? This and this are going to be the wood frame around it. We're going to have wood, and then inside acrylic, and then on the backside wood again. Okay, so let's make some rivet holes. Okay, so I'm going to take this one here, and I'm going to do another offset of 5 millimeters. That puts it in the center here of this 10 millimeter offset, right? I'm going to make this red. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to make a circle around the center of this, and I'm going to make it 3.2 by 3.2. That way you can use 1/8 inch screws or 3 millimeter screws to put this together. Okay, use my selector tool. I'm going to select this. Okay, center is about right there, right? So I'm going to take this circle here and wait till, oh, there it goes. That pops onto center. Cool. Copy that, paste it over here, and do the same thing. Wait till it pops onto center. Oh, oh, there it goes. Okay, it grabbed there. Okay, paste it here, paste it here. We're gonna do the same things on the side. So I'm gonna click this. Whoops, did I move it? I think I moved it. Undo that. Okay, I did move it. Okay, center's about right there. There we go. Grabs on. Perfect. Same thing over here. There we go. That's center. Okay, so I could call it good here, right? Just have the 4 holes. It would stay together, but it might also flap, right? If you're doing this outside, like, let's say, I don't know, does this do vertical? I guess I could hit enter. Let's see. So my house would be, well, my old house I grew up in, 6, enter, 4, enter, 0, enter, 7. Yikes. Okay. So let's bring that vertical space way down. Oh. Is that making it smaller too? Yeah, I don't want to do that. Okay. Vertical space, not horizontal space. What am I thinking? There we go. That brings it in. So if I'm going to do like house numbers, right? I could do the same thing. Oh, let's give it a little more space. And now it won't like blow off in the wind, right? So, well, if I had this, like, it would flap in the wind. You'd think someone's knocking, right? Okay. Anyways, enough of that. So we've got these holes. So I want to hold down Shift and select this one also. So I've got both these holes selected, right? I'm going to go to my array tool, and let's see. I'm going to do 2 for the Y. There we go. And much further away, like, I don't know, 210, so 105. So let's try 100. Oh, 100 is not bad. That's a little too high. Let's go like 90. Actually, 100 wasn't. Let's go with 90. I'll go with 90 there. Okay, I'm going to hit OK. Now that one's still selected, right? So I'm going to do my array tool again. Okay. And this time, instead of going 90, I'm going to reverse direction. Oh. And I'm going to do 2 of these. There we go. So now I have one down here. Hit OK. Okay, so I've got the sides all done, right? Because I selected both of them. Now I'm going to select these center ones and do something similar. So let's go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I guess it was 2, 3. Let's see. We went 90. So X spacing 90. There we go. And looks like we can fit one more. Oh, that's actually not bad. Cool. It's not perfect though. I don't know. I'd rather have these line up. I'm gonna have it fudge it just a little bit. There we go. That's a little closer. Cool. Okay. Hit that. And then do the same thing. Array it. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. And reverse direction. Okay, those are pretty well spaced. And if this lines up outside, it's not going to flap. So if I do this outside, like, it'll actually stay nice. Okay, so now we don't really need this anymore, right? We have the holes. So I'm going to select this one and hold down Shift, select this one, and make them blue, just so I'm keeping track of stuff correct. Okay, so the blue is the wood, right? That's the wood front. The black is the acrylic. Now we have this. I'm going to make this orange. Okay? And what I'm going to do here is do a fill. Okay, so if we wanted to like call this good and just be done, we could right now, right? So let's split this up. I'm going to make 3 of these because we need 3 pieces, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I guess we also need a hole for it to hang. So if I were lazy, I would make this one, I don't know, 6. Whoops, and 6. There we go. Okay. And looks like undo that. Okay. From the center up here. Oh, I still. Okay, there we go. Now it's perfect. Okay, from the center, I'm going to go 6 and 6. Okay. And then I could put a screw in there, or I could do it to like the 2 outside or something. So I'd rivet everything, but I'd leave those 2 done. So I'll do the wood over here. Okay. Don't need that. Don't need that. Okay. So actually, don't need this whole thing because this one has a big hole. We do that. Okay, and then this one, see, don't need the wood. So this is just the acrylic, right? And so I'd put the wood on the front here, right? And then I'd cut this out and do the acrylic, and then I do the wood on the back, and then I run the LEDs around and call it good. So this will be the first video. I'll make one more video showing how to make it actually cool. So see you next video.